Friday night, live improv, New York City. That's all you need to know. And now we're going to play a game called Repair Shop, where we're going to send Heidi into the soundproof booth. And while she's gone, we're going to decide what item she is bringing into a repair shop to have fixed. The fun part would be the person who's returning the item has no idea what it is. And the person who's receiving the item is going to make hints. It's a guessing game. Let's send Heidi into that soundproof booth. Are you ready to go? Everybody say, hi, Heidi.
Hi, Heidi.
Hi, Heidi.
Hey, Heidi.
And now we all sign off and leave Heidi there forever. All right. Why don't we get an object? An object, since you're in quarantine, an object you haven't seen for a while that Heidi's going to be returning.
A dog.
A dog.
You're just setting yourself up for some terrible problems when somebody gives you a suggestion. A dog. Are you good with that, Irene? Are you good with a dog? A dog?
Like a ruffle?
Yeah, a dog.
I'm just making sure I heard it right because it also sounded like God. And I was
Oh, a god, yeah. That'd be
I haven't seen God since quarantine.
After 2020, I've decided that this God is not working. I want to go back to the old gods.
Go back to those.
All right.
The dog is fine.
Which one are we doing?
We're going to do dog. She's
Okay.
dog. So if you're not Irene or Heidi, now is the time to mute your microphones. And let's bring her back in.
a sacred dog.
Hello. Hi, welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So you're returning that, huh?
Yes, this beautiful little thing is, it's broken.
Oh. Well, I guess one of it. I guess it could be a little broken. I mean, it looks healthy.
Well, I overwatered it.
Oh, you know what? It does look bloated. You know, it does look a little bloated. There's an extra shine though to the fluff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wow, it's got quite a bite.
Yes, well, that's another reason that I'm returning it.
Yeah.
But if you could fix that.
Oh, okay. Let's see here. We could remove them, and a little inhumane, but then no bite.
I don't think you should remove them. Maybe just file them all down. File them down.
Oh, I mean, I can definitely do that as well. It's probably a more humane choice for sure. And I can see it has some broken nails. So that's the broken part.
Well, I think its personality is broken.
Oh. Well, you are a little lifeless, aren't you? Not much bark.
Yeah, and a whole lot of bite.
Right. Well, you know what?
Yeah. I don't know that I really wanted a puppy after all.
Oh, you got it right. Brilliant. Give him a round of applause. Oh, wow. That was well done. That was zippy. Well done. All right. We're going to be back with more games, more scenes, more fun. Friday night, live, improv, New York. See you soon.
Bye.